Thottakura fry. Welcome to my channel Madhura Smriti. Cook healthy, eat healthy and stay healthy. Let's make a healthy recipe with amaranth leaves. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add 2 red chilies. And now add 2 to 3 medium-sized onions finely chopped or slices. Now add little salt so that it speeds up the cooking. Fry the onions on low flame till it turns to translucent. Cover it and stirring in between, fry the onions. Add a few curry leaves while frying the onions. And now add a pinch of turmeric powder. Fry for a few minutes or till onion turns into light pink color or translucent. Now add finely chopped amaranth leaves for about 4 to 5 bunches. Wash them thoroughly and chop finely. You can use tender stems as well. Fine chopping and add. Now cover it and cook on low flame for about 5 minutes. Amaranth leaves. It has several nutrients including vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fiber, provides good health. Stirring in between, cook till the water content in the amaranth is evaporated. Amaranth, rich in iron, prevents anemia. Calcium and vitamin K protects and maintains healthy bones and teeth. Vitamin A present in amaranth keeps the skin and eyes healthy. Anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties helps to prevent various diseases like heart disease, stroke, diabetes and even cancer. Vegetable is almost fried. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of special peanut masala powder. Switch off the flame and cover it and leave it for a few minutes. Now stir well. Healthy, tasty amaranth leaves fry is ready. Serve as a side dish. Try this recipe. If you like this video, please share with your family and friends. For more healthy and interesting recipes, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.